Hello.
Hey guys, Harry here from Aeroo. Today we're going to be running you through our Aeroo safety clips and how to use them with your drone. We're going to tell you what they are, how to rig them up, and we'll show you some demos of them in use. So the safety clips are designed to release your payload from the drone under tension. So this works in addition to the electronic release and adds an additional layer of protection. It also opens up new ways to release the payload from the drone. So when using our safety clip, we can adjust the tension by using our small or large release clips. So here we have the small release clip, and we'll use this when our payload's under 500 grams. And here we've got our large release clip, and we'll use this when the payload is over 500 grams. You can also tie loops in your fishing line if you really want to dial in the perfect tension for your setup. So first we're going to start with our drop loop cable. It's 2 meters long, and we use this on all of our fishing rigs. Then we're going to connect our attachment clip this way around. Then we're going to attach our release ring onto the end of the safety clip. Then we'll squeeze our safety clip and clip it onto the other side of the attachment clip. Then it should detach when pulled with moderate force like this. And then we'll attach our release cable to our 3-way swivel like this. So here we've got our safety clip and the release ring. That's running down our cable. Then here we've got our 3-way swivel. On this side we've got our rig with our 2 hooks. And coming off the other side we've got our line going back to the rod. So now we're rigged up and ready to go. We're going to simulate a knot in the line while we're unspooling. And we're going to do that by closing the bail arm while we're flying out. 3, 2, 1. I can pull it now. So once it's attached, we can hit return to home and the drone's going to fly back to us as normal. Before we land, it's important to remember to release the safety clip from the drone. So in the event of a normal drop, we'll fly our drone out, we'll drop the bait, release the line, and then when we're reeling everything back in, everything's going to come attached back on our line. So we'll have the cable there and we'll have our rig. So it's rare to lose a safety clip when we're reeling in our line, but occasionally we might get snagged on something, and it does happen. In the event that does happen, we do have spare safety clips and cables available on our website. So I hope that's given you a better understanding of how to use the safety clip with the Aeroo Pro. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment in the video, and make sure you subscribe so you can see more future videos from us. Cheers.